Hey y'all, Ms. Star here. I'm here with RosBall Pan, which I'm getting ready to open. But first, I want you to know that there is examples of what she has done with them herself. You can check that out on her YouTube channel, which I do suggest. On the bottom, it has what's included inside, as well as how to use them and how to take care of them. So, here we go. Okay, here's the first pan on top. Oh boy, look at that. And here's the two silicone bands. This is to help balance them while they're baking in the oven. And of course, the other pan. I have to say, they seem really good quality, and I'm looking very forward to using them, you guys. If you guys have any suggestions as to what I should make first, please leave that in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye.